Hello children, myself Ishwarchand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we start new chapter 10, mensuration. Okay, so watch this video up to the end, then you understand better. First we learn what is the mensuration and what we learn in this. Introduction. Mensuration is defined as the study of the measurement of various 2-dimension and 3-dimension geometric shapes involving their perimeters, surface area, volume, etc. of the 2-dimension figure, that is square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. These are the 2-dimensional figure, and the 3-dimensional figure are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay, so now we learn perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundaries forming a closed figure when we go round the figure once. That is, if we round the figure one time, then the distance we covered by following the boundaries, and sum of that distance is the perimeter. Okay. Here is a figure. A, B, C, D, E, F, A is a closed figure. Okay. And we have to found perimeter of this figure. So A, B, C, D, E, F, A is a closed figure. So perimeter of this A, B, C, D, E, F, A is, we start from here, start counting A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F and F, A. So by adding all these sides, we get the perimeter of this figure. So this way we calculate the perimeter of any type of figure. Okay. But now we calculate and learn how to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. And here this is the length of rectangle and this is the breadth. And this is also length, this is the width. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Sum of length of all four sides. If we add the length of all four sides, we get the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay. So here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we put the values of this. AB is L, so we put L. BC is B, so we put B. CD is L also, so we put L here, and DA is B also. Okay, because the opposite sides are equal. So now here we found L is twice and B is also twice. So twice L plus twice B is the perimeter of rectangle. Here we take 2 as common. So twice L plus B, that is length plus breadth 2 times is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So by using this formula, we can calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Now we take example. Here, example 1. An athlete takes 10 rounds of a rectangular park, 50 meter long, 25 meter wide. Find the total distance covered by him. Okay. What we provided, the athlete take 10 round. So first we found the length of 1 round, that is distance covered in 1 round. Okay, and the distance covered in 1 round is the perimeter of rectangular park. Then we multiply by 10, we get the distance in 10 rounds. Okay, so in this type of problems, we have to found that we have to calculate perimeter. In question, it is not asked to us that we have calculate perimeter, but we understand that this is the problem of calculating perimeter, because the distance around the figure is perimeter, nothing else. Length of the rectangle park is, we have provided 50 meter. Breadth of the rectangular park is provided 25 meter. So total distance covered by the athlete is, one round will be the perimeter of the park. This is very clear. Okay. So we have calculated the perimeter of the rectangular park. Twice into length plus breadth. Here, this is the length, this is the breadth. So we put the values. 2 into 50 plus 25. This is 75. So 2 into 75, that is 150 meter. This 150 meter is the distance covered by athlete in one round only. But we have to count the distance in 10 rounds. Okay. So this is the 150 meter is the distance in one round. So distance covered in 10 round, we have to multiply 10 into 150 meters. So 1500 meter. Okay. So total distance covered by him is 1500 meter. So this way we can solve this type of problems. Okay. Now we take one more example. Find the perimeter of a rectangular park whose length and breadth are 150 centimeter and 1 meter respectively. This is the rectangle. Here length is 150 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter. So this is the given. Now first we convert this meter into centimeter, because both the dimension must be same. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we write here 100 centimeter. So breadth is 100 centimeter and length is 150 centimeter. So we know the formula of perimeter of rectangle is twice into length into breadth. Okay. So by using this formula, we found the perimeter of this rectangle. So 2 into length into breadth. Twice length is 150 centimeter. So we put here 150 centimeter. And breadth is 100 centimeter. So we put here 100. By adding we get the 250. 150 plus 100, 250. So 2 into 250, 500 centimeter. So 500 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now we convert this into the meter. By dividing 100 centimeter, this is converted into the meter, 5.0 meter. That is perimeter of this rectangular park is 5.0 meter. So this way we solve our problem. So learn this well and use this. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks.